there's no surge protection in this outlet. And basically what this represents is your breaker box. I've got 3 breakers, 3 circuits. One circuit is going to my mission critical equipment. That might be my fire alarm panel, might be my data closet, could be anything that's important to me, my flat screen TV, for example, or my surround sound. The other breaker at the bottom of this bar is going to the front office outlets. And every night at 8 o'clock, the maintenance crew comes in to vacuum. So on my scope, I've got set up here. Basically, I'm reading the AC power voltage. Out of the outlet is 125 volts. I'm set at 100 volts per division on my scope, reading peak voltage, the top value of 168. So what you want to do is you want to keep an eye on the top value and take a look at the sine wave to see if there's any disturbance from the vacuum cleaner, in this case my drill, that is going to generate some noise. Lots of noise. Now, that's the collapsing electrical field from that electric motor, and also we had a little phase shifting that we looked at. So normally what we want to do, and the recommended practice, is to have surge protection at your service entrance breaker panel. So I've got a little parallel device. It's a simple little thing used primarily for fire alarms and low-end industrial applications. I put a plug on it, and when I plug it in, basically what we're replicating is having a surge device on our panel. We'll call it a miniature Speedy, okay? So let's see, because it's T-tapped or parallel connected to the circuit, let's see how much effect it has on the noise my appliance creates. Not a whole lot, but that's because the parallel connected device is only designed to clip the really big voltage spikes, clipping the top and bottom. Now, in contrast, I'm going to demonstrate one of our inline series filters, okay? And the inline series filter is basically constructed with inductors, capacitors, and some MOVs. So it's going to create a barrier between my power source and the sensitive electronics that I want to protect. You can see my outlet voltage wasn't disturbed and my peak voltage never went over a volt. The difference between parallel and series, obviously financially, is substantial, but the amount of protection is, 100-fold. Now, in your world, we can create a barrier for much cheaper, I should say more economically. We're going to use the SAP1. We'll put it in line with our sensitive electronics, and let's see the difference that the SAP1 is going to make. Now the SAP1 is still a parallel connected device, even though it's plugged in series, but because of the additional filtering that it has in, not only does it clip all the high spikes, but it filters out all that random noise generated by the appliance. There you have it. Surgeassure.